Hey there, lawn lovers. Melissa here with PetraMax, and welcome to the Chelated Iron Guaranteed Starter Guide. Let's get started on transforming your lawn into a vibrant green oasis using PetraMax Chelated Iron Guaranteed. Before you get started, the first step is to give your bottle of Chelated Iron Guaranteed a good shake. We want those ingredients mixed up nicely and ready to work wonders. Now it's mixing time. If you're using a backpack or pump sprayer, just blend 8 ounces of Chelated Iron Guaranteed with 1 gallon of water. This perfect blend will provide your lawn with the essential iron it needs to stop yellowing of your lawn and plants by chlorosis. But if you're using a hose end sprayer, it's essential to adjust the settings based on your pace. For a slow pace, set it to 2 ounces. If you're moving quickly, go for 4 ounces. This makes sure that you're applying the right amount of product for your lawn's needs. For optimal results, it's recommended to apply Chelated Iron Guaranteed every 3 to 4 weeks during the growing season. Consistent application ensures that your lawn receives a steady supply of iron, promoting lush, green growth. Now for our bonus tip. After applying Chelated Iron Guaranteed, water your lawn for 5 minutes. This helps the product penetrate deep into the soil, ensuring maximum absorption and effectiveness. And there you have it, a simple starter guide to using Chelated Iron Guaranteed. Follow these steps and you'll be on your way to a healthier, greener lawn in no time.